Good morning. YouTube world. We are about to get into our dock here. They just came knocking on my door and said, hey, back into door 5. I said, all right, I can do that. I don't know why this guy decided to. He's parked beside me. They knocked on his door too. Like, hey, dude, you couldn't wait for me to get in my dock first. I don't know what he's doing, but I'm gonna open my doors. Yeah, guys, it is 5:45 in the morning. Uh-oh, trucks are starting to get in the way. Ooh, smells like chemicals. Like cleaning products. I like those mirrors on that truck. That must be the LT model with the blinker in the mirror. All right, flash is on for safety. Let's get a little AC going. So at this place, I have to pay what's called a lumper. So they have some kind of third party company offloading the truck. All right, y'all. Homeboy behind us took forever to back up. Alrighty. Let's get around these parked cars. Oh, that guy's okay. Trying to pull in here. Swing our trailer to the right some to get around his truck. Door number 5. Oh yeah, he did that. Straighten up. Yeah, last time I was at this place, actually I was on the Lone Star, I think. Actually, no, I might have been in the FLD. But there was trailers in every dock. So backing in was a little bit more difficult. And I think it was raining too. And night out. As long as they can get those ramps in there, that's all that matters. Actually, let's go ahead and straighten up a little bit. Because from here I look straight, but when I stand back there I look just a hair crooked. And since they're making us disconnect, I want to make sure it's perfectly straight, because if it's not, then I'm gonna have to come over here, reconnect, straighten up. There we go. Perfect. Oh, the line is crooked. That's what it is. I can see where it kind of... Gotta love it when it happens. You gotta kind of make it straight to what you think. All right, let's get all the way up on there. Oh man, y'all. So now I gotta get on this load board and find me a load coming out of Louisiana today. And I need to remember to get my placards off too. Walk all the way over here. Anything from my load alerts come in yet? Nope. All right. Actually, let's dump our airbag so it doesn't just drop. But yeah, I couldn't really sleep all that good because at about, let me see, I got here, oh, that street is flooded over there. What time did I get here? I got here like right at midnight last night. I guess sometime around 3 or so. A lot of their drivers, their day cabs started coming in and out of here. And I didn't idle the truck last night. It's somewhat cool. So I just ran my little fan back there. But they got us parking off the street. As y'all see where they had him park right there. Landstar doesn't like that. They call it the sitting duck policy. So I'm gonna have to call them and let them know. Well, that's a nice Mustang right there. Ooh, wee boy. I gotta call them and say, hey, I'm at a customer. They're forcing me to park off the street. So, just a heads up to where something happens. This is what happened. Okay, this is what's going on. Okay, okay. Nope, just take note of it. But like I said, I gotta get on this load board. Find me a load coming out today. And then once they get the lumper, I'll go ahead and pay that. It's probably gonna be $400 or $500, I don't know. But I'll get reimbursed for it. So we can park, gotta do that just right actually. Let's move over a hair. I wanna get as far off the street as possible. But yeah, when it forces us to break company policy like this, just gotta make a phone call. But I just have my lights and stuff on, you know, safety protocol. All right, y'all. Y'all roll that intro, and I'll catch you guys on the other side of it. It is about to go down, y'all. So all that crazy weather from yesterday has caught up with us. So we are here at our pickup. I'm trying to figure out where to go. We've been at this place before, so we're at the place that they usually give me the wrong address. So she didn't have any. So the lady I usually pull these loads for, we're not pulling for her today. We're actually picking up a hazmat load. So I did find a load. It took me a while this morning. It's not what I wanted, but I need to take what I can get right now. There was nothing popping up on the board this morning. I mean, there were some options, but nothing to get me home so I can get this truck fixed. And so I've been trying to find a load to go by the house. So we found a load. It's a 2-stop. Well, 3-stop. We're picking up here. We have another one picking up in Freeport, Texas, which is about an hour and a half south of Houston. And then it delivers in Denver. But it pays $3,800. So it pays really good. I can get it there first thing Monday morning when my pay period ends. So yeah. Anyway, y'all, let's get in here and see what's up. Yep. Ooh, this truck is rocking back and forth, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see those trees back there. Maybe not. Is it gonna focus? No? Okay. Yeah, truck's rocking back and forth. I'm still trying to figure out which building I'm picking up from. So here's the plan. So I'm picking up today. And then going home. And then I got to pick up in Freeport, like I said, which is an hour and a half south of Houston. Pick up from there, go home, do a 34-hour break, leave out, get the truck fixed Saturday. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Get the truck fixed Saturday, and then Sunday work our way up to Denver, Colorado. First thing Sunday morning. And then deliver our load Monday. And well, then again, I don't know how we're gonna do it here. I should be able to leave out first thing Sunday morning and still have the load dropped off Monday. But I can't pick up the load until this weather calms down a little bit, and it is coming down. But I've been to that building over there. They said, nope, you're at the wrong building. It's at one of the other 2 buildings. So I'm gonna try this building here. If this doesn't work, we're going to building number 3. But the other building over there is out to lunch right now. This one, I think they're out of lunch. So I don't know why I always show up at these places while people are on lunch. But anyway, let me see if I can work my way in here and see what's going on. All right, y'all. So we're at the right place. But the tanks we're picking up are outside. And for safety reasons, they're not going to load them in the rain. So we're going to have to sit here and wait it out. So I had told them that I would load it myself, and like, no, for safety concern and safety protocol or whatever they call it, company policy, they're gonna wait till the rain stops, and they go home at 4 o'clock. So hopefully there's a break in the rain so we can snatch them on here and keep it moving. But otherwise, we came all the way out here for nothing. So they go home. It's about 1 o'clock now, so they go home in 3 hours. Prayerfully, there's a break in the rain. But so I gave her my phone number and said, call me when y'all are ready. So hopefully that happens. So hopefully we get out of here soon. All right, y'all. So we've been sitting here probably a good hour and a half or so. The rain has stopped. Well, it's, for the most part, the rain has stopped. You can kind of see a little bit of the sky back there. So it's starting to light up quite a bit. But they are refusing to load me. They are refusing to load me. Because apparently to them, it's company policy. If the ground is wet, since the product is outside, which I think those are the tanks. Y'all probably can't see it. But there's some big old ISO tanks right there. I think that's what we're here to go grab. Yeah, right there. Oh, man. And so they're saying that because the ground is wet, they are refusing to load me. Even if it stops raining, and the ground is, of course, the ground is still going to be wet, they're not going to load me. So I just put the phone on speaker with, I guess, the broker or the customer, whoever I was speaking to, and they got a third person on the phone. And they kind of had a little talking to with the people in here. Because not only do I have this pickup, I have the other pickup that I have to go do. And so it's not like I can just sit here and wait till tomorrow, because if I sit here and wait till tomorrow, they would have to load me first thing tomorrow morning, so I can still haul butt down there to Freeport to go grab the other one tomorrow. So I don't know, guys. This is ridiculous. I would say this is a first for me, but I have been to some places before, but it's always been due to the workers' discretion if they want to be out there in the rain. But it's not really even raining. It's just dripping a little bit, and it's about to clear up. Like I showed y'all the sky back there. But because the ground is wet, and it's supposed to be raining all the way through tomorrow. Today is Thursday. Is today Thursday? What is today? I think today's Thursday. Today is Thursday, and it's supposed to be raining all day tomorrow too. So even if I wait here tomorrow and try to knock out and pick this up, shoot out there, grab the other one, but if the ground is still wet, they're not gonna load me here. So if they don't load me, it's late in the day. It's almost 2:30. Majority of the places are closed already, and I need to get home so I can get this drive shaft taken care of. So if they don't load me, I'm just gonna deadhead the 250 miles home. Not to mention the deadhead that we already did from New Orleans. And so this week is pretty much gonna be a wash, unless they agree to load me. If they agree to load me, we'll have I think a $8,200 week in revenue. If they don't load me, we're only gonna have like $4,000 in revenue, unless I can find a load coming out of Houston tomorrow that I can deliver on Monday morning for a good $1,300 or so. Then I can still do my $6,000 a week. So I don't know, y'all. I don't know. So right now I'm just waiting on a phone call, and we will see what happens. All right, so they said back up into door 6. I don't know who called who, but they said door 6, and so we are going to get into door 6. I ain't gonna argue with them. So yeah, I feel like it was just the employees that they didn't want to get out here in the rain, but I guess they're going to move the product inside the warehouse and load me from there. I don't know. But for them to say we're not going to load you because of the rain, yeah, okay. But I did miss out on a really good load, guys. I picked up not too far from where I was this morning originally, going down near Corpus Christi, Texas. It paid like well over $5 a mile. Like $2,900, man. I'm really mad at, had I just waited a little bit, I could have got that load. Then again, it probably went really, really fast. I can imagine whoever booked that load had to be on it. All right. Of course, these guys have their pickup trucks right where I need to be. I got to get up here and open these doors. Yeah, these other guys, these electricians or maintenance men are out here working. They would have their pickup trucks right where I need to be. Took up all the space that I need, but yeah, thank you, God. And I did have to cancel my load because I had a load booked. My refrigerator's booked out of Laredo. Man, I am so mad that I missed out on that load. But you can't get them all. Cannot get them all. But I'll be grateful for this load. We are going to have to go to Colorado, which sucks, but leave out first thing Sunday morning. It's probably about a good 1,000-mile trip, so we'll knock out hopefully 700 the first day, and then the last 300 the second day. But first things first, we need to get this truck fixed, so that is why I'm being picky on where I'm going. But let me open these doors and get loaded. I gotta get back there and secure it down. All right, I hear you. I hear you. All right. And these pickup trucks are right in the dang way, y'all. It says no parking, and you park there. But let's get loaded. All right, guys, we are loaded. It took a while because I had them put some dunnage on the floor, so it took a little while. Those are the tanks we got, and so you can't see it, but on the other side of the tanks down there, there are some pieces of board nailed into the floor to hold everything in as a brace. Then we got the straps on there as well to make sure they don't go nowhere. All right, I got a seal here. Landstar requires us to seal hazmat loads, or else it's automatic termination of your lease if you get caught going down the road without a hazmat seal. So we are over 1,000 pounds of hazmat cargo, so we do need to placard this load. I have these little plastic covers over just so the wind doesn't take it, because they are super flimsy. See, super flimsy. Actually, let's put these gloves in my pocket for now. I gotta slide my tandems back. But collectively, this load is only 8,000 pounds. With these tanks that we have on us now. Then we got a few empty tanks to pick up tomorrow, so. Come on, get in there. Come on. But yeah, we picked up from here before, not this warehouse, but the one across the street over there. They just have different, come on now. Hate these things. I prefer the cardboard ones, because you don't have to go through this. All right, let's slide it in there. All right. I am still bummed out on the load I missed out on. But can't get them all. All right, come on, get in there. Get in there, come on. Come on, get in there. There we go. Ow, dang it. Cut myself. Get in there, come on. Get on in there, come on, almost, there we go. All right. All right, I got my hazmat books, paperwork. I can go in the driver's side door. All right. Cool, cool, cool. All right, what time is it? 3:30. Hopefully we can beat this traffic. Oh shoot, I forgot my tandems. I always forget. I always forget. But literally, as soon as I pulled up here, the rain started. Okay, you stuck? Nope. Okay. All right. All right. See if it's gonna show up. So this, guys, this is the load I'm really mad about. It picked up right where we were. So this morning we dropped our load off right here in La Place. It picked up right up the road going to Kingsville, Texas, which is basically Corpus Christi, not too far from Laredo. Which I know I canceled the load earlier. That paid like 1,200 bucks. So for doing this little run going down to Corpus, or the Corpus Christi area, and then going over, I would have made about $300 more doing that, the little short run, over doing all this crap, dealing with this, between dealing with this and what else? How much did that load pay? $556 a mile, 2,900 bucks, man. 36,000 pounds. Rather than going way up to Denver in this bad area, and I gotta still pick up another stop. I mean, like I said, the load probably, you know, went like that, which I can imagine. Like as soon as they posted it, you know, it was a fight to get it. But stop for the stop sign. Yeah, I am really mad about missing out on that load, man. But it is what it is. That's a gamble with this stuff, with dispatching yourself. Sometimes you'll get it, sometimes you won't. You know, sometimes you'll get the perfect load, and sometimes you'll miss out on it. Actually, I need to make a left here, actually. Anyway, y'all, hopefully we won't be stuck in rush hour, so let's see how long this takes us.
I felt beaten down. I was looking for a calling, felt lonely in a crowd. I was searching for the answers, too blind to see the signs. He was always by my side. He shed his light and picked me up. I'm safe in his arms. I found my bliss in the greatest love there is. The greatest love there is. I saw a ray of hope, and he led me out the dark. God's forever faithful, he'll always lift you up. I was looking for the answers, too blind to see the signs. He was with me all this time. No, he never left my side. He shed his light and picked me up. I'm safe in his arms. I found my bliss in the greatest love there is. The greatest love there is. The greatest love. The greatest love there is.
All right. Gonna do a mid-trip inspection. Make sure everything is good. Running a hazmat, you gotta stop every 3 hours or 200 miles. Make sure our plackets are in place, tires, nothing's blown out. Mud flaps are good. All right. This is getting fixed this weekend. I don't like that, how low that's hanging. Paperwork. Yes, I did get some Arby's. Topped her off with some oil. This weekend when I get settled, I need to clean this truck out. All right. Well, guys, we're 200 miles away from the house. I was thinking about dropping my trailer off near the house and bobtailing home, but we're hazmat, so I cannot leave the trailer unattended. So now I gotta drive 40 minutes past my house just to drop the trailer off at the yard. What kind of fries did they give me? Oh, curly fries, cool. I need to get my my calorie intake up. But yeah, guys, thank y'all so much. I've been going over the comments. Thank y'all so much for the nice, thoughtful words. But one of them stood out to me. What's this guy doing? But one of them stood out to me. Sheldon Charles. You're from Trinidad. And you sent me a message saying that your mom just recently, I think you said she had a stroke or a seizure, one of the two. So definitely prayers to her. Hello, Sheldon's mom. That's cool that you guys watch from Trinidad. But you said something like y'all come in every day. or she comes out of her room after being, somewhat bedridden every day to come watch my vlogs. And then he said after the episode goes off, she goes back to bed. So I want to say welcome. Thank you for watching the channel. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your kind words. I just want to give a big shout out to you all the way from America to Trinidad. Blessings to you guys, and we hope you get better. We pray for your recovery. And we pray for just wisdom, knowledge, and understanding due to everything that you're going through. So I just want to give y'all a shout out, say thank y'all for watching, thank y'all for sticking it out. We do have some exciting stuff coming up in the future, y'all. Some of y'all have been asking, some of y'all have been smart about it, but some of y'all have been asking about the FLD and what's going on with that. Well, there's some things coming, I'll tell you that. We are probably, this is July, come August, depending on revenue, depending on if I don't have any breakdowns in this truck, I should be hopping into FLD sometime in August. Might be like towards the end of August. I'm finally starting to get the revenue back, rolling again. So, but once I jump into FLD, our driver's gonna jump into this truck, which will be his truck because we're gonna be, selling it to him. But the FLD, I'll just say this. We have a road trip coming up in the FLD. That's all I'm going to say. We have a 1,500-mile road trip planned for the FLD. So y'all stay tuned for that. We have some big things planned for that. Like I said, some of y'all have been smart about it, and some of y'all actually been wondering what's going on with the FLD. So I got a road trip coming with that. But first and foremost, I'm going to have to get that AC fixed in it. And once I get that AC fixed, we got a nice little road trip with that. So it'll be a good little content ordeal with that. So we are excited about that coming up. But so the truck has been mid-trip inspected, put oil in there. So like I said, we have a 2 hours to go to get home. We're right outside of Lake Charles, Louisiana. We're right at the 2-hour mark, so we got to pass up my house, go drop this truck off, trailer off, and then jump in my Ram, and then take that on home. But thank God we got loaded. I'm still bummed out on that load I missed out earlier, but it is what it is. So at least we make revenue on this load here. We'll do about, I think I said 8,200, 8,400 in revenue going out to Denver. I have not found anything coming out of Denver as of yet, but I am still looking. Today is Thursday. I got until Monday or so to find something coming out, and I might even do this, stay out there till Tuesday. So anyway, y'all, let's knock out these last 2 hours, and I will catch you guys here in a little bit.
Down and you're 10 feet underground, when you're so deep you're about to drown, when you're in the lost and found, 'cause heartaches only last a day. Ooh, but your heart will never fade away. Go out and find your way. Time. Just know that somewhere there's a sign, either fate or the big sublime, 'cause rainstorms always move away. Ooh, but you'll go till night turns into day. Go out and lead the way. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold you
We made it back. Another successful trip away from home. But before we get to the house, I want to get some, get my PPE equipment. All right. Oh, these legacy seats feel so much better than the seats in the International. All right, so I have my safety vest in the International already. Where's my hard hat? All right, get my hard hat. My LoneStar hard hat. And need to get my iPad, but it's still broken. I still need to get that fixed. And when it fell off the holder I was driving. All right, safety glasses. There's some butt connectors up there. Hazmat placards. Yeah, I think that's everything. Cool. All right, FLD. We'll be back any soon enough. All right. Oh, there my needle nose pliers are. I was looking for those. So as I was saying earlier, I'm planning a 1,500 mile road trip in the FLD. I'm not gonna say too much. I might say something in the next couple of days or so. I don't know. But there's something exciting coming for the FLD. So can't wait to get in that truck and just drive, man. Just drive. But our hazmat load is secure. Done my post trip on the truck. Everything looks good. So we got an hour and a half drive, maybe like a 2-hour drive tomorrow to go pick up the second leg of this load, and then a 2-hour drive back, and then we'll be done for the week. And then it's going up to Denver, Colorado. So I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna print out, update my permit book, any kind of a hazmat permits and stuff that I need, just to make sure I'm good, because Anyway, I think I need one probably for Oklahoma, and maybe one for Colorado. I gotta see. But yeah, she's parked up. I will be revealing tomorrow the issue on the truck that we've been having with the U-joints. And so that'll be in tomorrow's video. After we do our run and get back, I'll show you guys what's going on with it and why I want to change them out. But she ran good all week. I'm proud of her. Like I say, y'all stick around for the exciting stuff I have coming up for the seals. That's what I wanted to get. Some LoneStar seals. Cause actually, do I have some in there? I need to see if I have some LoneStar seals. If not, then they're in my garage. That's where they are. Okay. I need to remember to grab those. Because LoneStar wants, because that's my last seal that I have on there right now. Unless the place we're going to seals us. When I get to that second leg, I got to break that seal. So I need an extra seal. So anyway, guys, we got some stuff coming up. I was on the phone last night with an individual. And we've got some exciting stuff coming. So y'all stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, guys, this is LoneStarTexasRanger signing off. I will catch you guys at noon Central Standard Time. I think I'll see y'all. I think this video will be posted either Sunday or Saturday or Monday. But I'll see y'all at noon Central Standard Time on the next episode.